Ever thought about turning creativity into cash? Today, I'm going to show you how you can make over $21,000 a month by selling custom AI designed mugs. Yes, you heard that right. AI mugs. It's a side hustle that's easy, low cost, and scalable. And anyone can do it, even if you've never designed anything before. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore how AI technology can help you create amazing, unique mug designs in seconds, and how to turn that creativity into serious profit. You won't have to worry about stocking inventory or dealing with shipping. I'll show you exactly how to use print-on-demand services to do all the heavy lifting. And trust me, this is trending right now. Just take a look at some of these cool AI design mugs that are selling like hotcakes online. You can do the same. So the first question, why AI mugs? So let's start with the big question. Why AI mugs, right? First of all, if you ever thought you needed graphic design skills to create products, think again. AI tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E have completely changed the game. With these platforms, you can generate stunning, professional quality designs with just a few clicks. This means that even if you've never opened Photoshop or Illustrator in your life, you can still create high-quality designs that people will actually want to buy. No need to spend hours learning complex design software. AI takes care of it for you. And here's where it gets even better. Platforms like Printify and Printful make it so you never have to worry about inventory or shipping. They handle everything from printing your designs to shipping them directly to your customers. So you don't need a big upfront investment or a garage full of stock. That's what makes AI mugs such a great side hustle. It's incredibly low risk and highly scalable. Mugs are one of the most popular and evergreen products in the print-on-demand space. Personalized gifts, funny quotes, or even AI art, all of these niches are in demand. So whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up, AI mugs are a fantastic way to generate passive income. Alright, so now that we know why AI design mugs are a fantastic opportunity, let's dive into which AI tools you should use. So there are plenty of options out there, but today I'll show you a few of my favorites. First up, we have Canva AI. Canva is already a well-known platform for creating all sorts of graphics, and their AI tools make it even easier. You can start with templates or create from scratch. It's fast, simple, and perfect for beginners. Next is Midjourney. This one's a bit more artistic and great for creating abstract, unique designs. If you want something that stands out and looks really creative, Midjourney is the way to go. Then we've got DALL-E, which is mind-blowing for its ability to generate images from simple text prompts. You can literally describe what you want, and DALL-E will create it for you. Imagine typing in sunset over mountains with a wolf silhouette, and boom, you've got a custom design ready for your mugs. AI also keeps you on top of the trends. Whether it's holiday designs, seasonal art, or funny quotes, these tools let you adjust quickly and keep your store relevant year-round. Okay, now that you've got your AI tools set up, it's time to talk about one of the most important aspects of any successful business, finding your niche. So when you're selling mugs, or any product for that matter, standing out in a crowded market is key. And the best way to do that is by targeting a specific niche. So how do you find your niche? Well, think about what you're passionate about. Maybe you love animals, so why not create mugs for pet lovers? Or maybe you're into motivational quotes or AI-generated art. Whatever it is, narrowing your focus helps you stand out and build a loyal customer base. Let me show you a few examples of successful stores that have found their niches. Here's a shop that focuses solely on funny quote mugs. It's doing really well because they've tapped into a specific audience who loves a good laugh. And here's another one that targets pet lovers with cute AI-generated designs featuring dogs and cats. People love this kind of personalization, and that's what makes niche stores so successful. To find trending niches, tools like Google Trends, Etsy Search, or even checking what's hot on social media can give you tons of inspiration. And once you've found your niche, it's time to dominate it. So you've got your designs, you've found your niche, now it's time to set up your online store. And this is where it gets exciting because I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your store up and running using platforms like Shopify and print-on-demand services like Printify or Printful. First things first, choose your domain name. Your domain name is the address of your website, and it's one of the first things that people will see when they find your store. Now, here's a pro tip. If you really want to stand out and make an impact, go with a .store domain. Big names like Mr. Beast, Rihanna, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Universal Music are using .store domains, and for good reason. Stores using .store domains get 87% more traffic and 12% lower cost per conversion. That's massive if you're serious about selling online. With a .store domain, you're not just choosing a name, you're investing in the long-term success of your business. Once you've got your domain, it's time to set up your Shopify store. It's as easy as choosing a template, linking your Printify or Printful account, and uploading your AI mug designs. It takes just a few seconds and you're ready to start selling. Now that your store is set up, let's talk about how to price your products. Getting your pricing right is essential for making sure that you're profitable, so let's break it down. First, let's consider your costs. Let's say it costs you $7 to produce a mug through Printify or Printful, including shipping. Your goal is to price the mug in a way that covers those costs and gives you a healthy profit. A good range to aim for is between $15 and $25 per mug. So if you sell a mug for $20 and it costs you $7 to produce, that leaves you with a $13 profit. Scaling your business is where the real money comes in. As you sell more mugs, you can take advantage of bulk discounts or find ways to streamline your process, which means even more profit. With the right strategy, hitting that $21,613 per month goal is totally within reach. Now let's talk about promotion. It doesn't matter how awesome your designs are if no one knows about them, right? So here are a few ways you can drive traffic to your store and make sales. First up, social media. TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest are your best friends when it comes to promoting your products. Create short videos or posts that showcase your mugs in real-life settings. Use popular hashtags and engage with your audience to build excitement around your designs. Next, consider running paid ads. Facebook ads and Google ads are fantastic for reaching a broader audience. You can set up targeted campaigns that show your mugs to people who are already interested in similar products. Paid ads are a great way to quickly drive traffic and boost sales. Another great strategy is influencer marketing. Find influencers in your niche who can showcase your AI mug designs to their audience. A single shout out from the right influencer can send tons of new customers to your store. And finally, don't forget the power of customer reviews. Positive feedback builds trust and encourages others to build your store. Encourage your happy customers to leave reviews, share photos, and spread the word. So there you have it, a complete guide to making over $21,000 a month selling AI design mugs. The combination of AI tools, print-on-demand services, and smart marketing strategies makes this one of the easiest side hustles you can start today. Remember, with the right designs, the right niche, and the right pricing, you can turn this into a profitable business in no time. And don't forget, choosing a .store domain gives you that extra edge, more traffic, more visibility, and ultimately more sales. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take action and start your own AI mug business, follow these steps and you'll be on your way to success. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below with any questions.